my esteemed sister and brother judges at the principal seat and the bench at Madurai, the learned Additional Solicitor General of India, the learned Advocate General, and the Additional Advocate Generals, the Public Prosecutor, Government Pleader, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the Presidents and the Office Bearers of the Bar Associations, Senior Advocates and the members of the Bar, members of my registry, and the family members of late Justice S.Ramalingam. We have assembled here to reminisce the memories of late Justice S.Ramalingam, a former judge of this court who left for heavenly abode on 27/7/2023, and to pay homage to the departed noble soul. Born in an agricultural family at Udampet on 12/12/32, Justice S.Ramalingam had initial education at Udampet, intermediate studies in St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, completed BSc degree from Christian College, Tambaram, Madras, degree in law and master's degree in law from Madras Law College. Late Justice S. Ramalingam got enrolled as an advocate in the then Madras and Pondicherry Bar Council, now Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, in 1956, and had initial tutelage under the distinguished senior Shri Mudliar of Coimbatore Bar. He then moved to Madras and joined the chambers of advocates Shri T.K. Subramanian Pillai and Shri M.K. Nambiar. Justice S. Ramalingam had a very lucrative practice on the writ and the appellate side, particularly in electricity board cases, labor and service matters. Late Justice S. Ramalingam served as an additional government pleader from 1970 to 1976 and as standing counsel for Tamil Nadu Electricity Board in the 1981, and continued as such till his elevation to the bench. As standing counsel for Electricity Board, with his outstanding erudition in electricity laws, he conducted several important cases, especially in service matters and appellate side cases. He was appointed as the advocate to assist the Commission of Inquiry, headed by Justice Sadasivam. He was designated as the senior advocate on 6/12/1985. His lordship was also a part-time lecturer in Law College, Madras, during the period 1963 to 1970. I'm informed that he declined the offer of judgeship twice due to personal reasons, but finally accepted and assumed office on 14/8/1988. The pages of law reports bear an ample testimony to his erudition in law and courage of conviction in deciding the causes. He rendered several notable reported decisions. In case of Salayar Mahajan Higher Education, which is a larger bench decision on the validity of promotion of a teacher as headmaster, writing the judgment for the bench, he held that a person shall not be entitled to be appointed in the post unless he possesses the prescribed qualifications for appointment for such post. In case of P.K. Tabaram, while dealing with the claim of the bank vis-a-vis the official assignee, under the Presidency Towns Insolvency Act, he held that the trend of judicial decisions has been in favor of the enlargement rather than the restriction of the connotation of the term trade and business. In Tata Oil Mills, while dealing with the provisions of Customs Tariff Act, held benefit in favor of a taxpayer only when ambiguous and two views are possible on interpretation of notification of the department. I had personally not known late Justice S. Ramalingam, but I am told by my peers, as a judge, he endeared himself to the members of the bar and to his colleagues by his suave manners of hearing and courtesy, and distinguished himself as a good, sober, and able judge. While adorning the bench of this prestigious High Court, he was appointed as the chairperson of the Tamil Nadu Land Reforms Tribunal in the year 1991, and later appointed as the chairperson of the Tamil Nadu Sales Tax Appellate Tribunal. With the vast experience of 32 years in the bar and 9 years on the bench of the High Court and the tribunal, Justice S. Ramalingam retired from the tribunal on 11/12/1997. Even after retirement, his lordship did not sever his affinity with the law and profession. He kept engaged himself busy as a commissioner in civil suits to administer the properties of the non-banking financial companies, with appearances in several arbitration proceedings for various corporates till 2021. During COVID-19 pandemic, considering the age and health concerns, he completely ceased himself from all the professional activities and spent his time with family till he breathed last on 27 July 2023 at the ripe age of 91 years. Death leaves heartache to no one can heal. Justice Ramalingam had a fulfilling life till 91 years and left behind him a meaningful legacy which will be remembered forever. His Lordship, a former judge of the Madras High Court who is present, Mr. Justice S. Rajeshwaram, a former judge of the Madras High Court who is present with us today, was his junior. Justice S. Ramalingam is survived by 2 daughters, son-in-laws, grandchildren, and great-grandchildren. One daughter, Miss Priya, is a practicing lawyer in Canada. Son-in-law is Ilamurgam, and granddaughter, Miss Leela Ilamurgam, are advocates practicing before this court. I, on behalf of my colleagues and entire legal fraternity, convey my heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace. To pay homage to the departed soul, we rise and observe 2 minutes silence. As a mark of respect to the departed soul, the rest of the court proceedings shall stand adjourned.